place which is known to be a pilgrimage place in Kodagu district of Karnataka. My journey started with a roller coaster ride. The one good thing I like when I travel to Western Ghats is the scenic views. It is just beautiful to witness it. Bhagamandala is situated in the Western Ghats of southern Karnataka, near the town of Madikeri. It is said that Bhagamandala is the highest rainfall receiving station in the Kodagu district every year. This village is famous for the Bhagandeshwara Temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The village is located at the confluence of three rivers, the Kaveri, the Kannike and the Sujoti. This sacred confluence is considered highly auspicious and is a key attraction for devotees. The area around the river confluence is often referred to as the Triveni Sangama of the region. The village showed its beauty to my phone, but I was very curious to see its complete beauty through my drone. And here was the magic. Bhagamandala is a prominent pilgrimage site for Hindus. The temple complex also includes shrines dedicated to Lord Vishnu and Lord Ganesha. The temple's architectural style is a blend of traditional Karnataka and Dravidian influences. Bhagamandala is not just a religious site, but also a place of cultural significance. The local festivals and rituals are deeply rooted in the traditions of the Kodagu region. Visitors can experience traditional Coorg culture and cuisines here. It is surrounded by lush green hills and dense forests, which adds to its scenic beauty. The surrounding landscape is characterized by verdant hills, coffee plantations, and picturesque scenery. The region's natural beauty makes it a popular spot for nature enthusiasts and tourists seeking tranquility. Overall, Bhagamandala is a blend of spiritual heritage and natural beauty, making it a noteworthy destination for those interested in both religious and scenic experiences. I hope that you would have enjoyed this video. See you until next time. A very goodbye from Puneet.